Hey, Dana, and welcome to my blog. Well, this is on Affirm, the credit card company. Well, unfortunately, I had another bad experience at Walmart last night because Walmart will no longer type in debit card numbers. I guess I don't know. I don't know why. Store manager and it started out with the clerk. She says, I can't punch that number in because they're no longer doing that. So I had another bad experience. Thank God I had money in other accounts to take care of that bill. I hate going up to the frickin' cash register with a cartload of stuff and all of a sudden you can't use the form of payment that you had planned to do that because but just to be aware, until Affirm figures out a way to get you a barcode on your systems here, you're not going to be able to use it when you go to Walmart. And I'm afraid, Lowe's same way. You're going to have to buy it online and go pick it up in the store. It's just not going to be a open purchase where you can go in and do that. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And again, the Affirm credit card, virtual credit card, open purchase is no longer going to be acceptable. Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my blog. Well, the other day, I wanted to buy some stuff at Walmart and use my Affirm account. Well, for Walmart, you have to have a minimum balance in your account of $140, and I only had $80. So what you have to do is when you put in for the amount you want and it's under the amount, it's going to say you need to add or deposit, should I say, whatever the minimum amount you're required to put in requests. So then once you do that, it'll automatically debit it out of your savings account or whatever bank you're using to make that amount. Say you're $50 short of the minimum amount. Walmart appears to be the only one that you are required to have a minimum balance of $140 to use your Affirm. So that's what I did. I brought it up to $150, and then it gave me the virtual credit card. Well, I get to Walmart. My wife and I fill up our shopping cart and get to the cash register, and I show the cashier the card. She says, "Sir, I'm sorry, we can't punch those numbers in anymore." And I'm like, "What?" She says, "We can no longer punch in virtual credit card numbers into the system. You have to physically have a credit card with a barcode." So here I am, embarrassed again, because we've got $200 worth of stuff, and that didn't go over well. So I drained my other accounts of money so we can pay the bill. So now I have a virtual credit card with Affirm for $150 that I can't use at Walmart. which in that case it's no problem. You just go back in and cancel it. But the fact is, no longer will Walmart accept a credit card, virtual credit card, without a scannable barcode. So be aware. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And I've messaged Affirm, and hopefully a bunch of you have also done the same thing if you've already been in this situation. We will hopefully see in the future a scannable barcode. The same with, well, you probably you're able to do it online and then go to the store and pick it up. Same with Lowe's, Tractor Supply, Advance Auto. Those there you can buy online. Oh yeah, Harbor Freight. You can buy online and pick it up in the store. So, all right, we will catch you on the next Dana Crosby's Vlogs.